How to delete Yahoo account permanently. So let's get started. Please note that deleting your account is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So make sure that you back up your data before deleting it. Now, firstly, open a web browser and visit the Yahoo official website and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Now, once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon or account icon available in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Now from there, tap on the Manage Your Account option available. Once you tap on the Manage Your Account, tap on the Privacy option available in the top. You can see there are various options available such as Security, Personal Info. From there, tap on the Privacy and you will be navigated to the another page of Privacy Dashboard. Now, once you are navigated to the another page, all you have to do is scroll down through the list of options available there and tap on the Delete Account option available. Now, once you tap on the Delete Account, you will have to read the deletion terms, where Yahoo will list the consequences of deleting your account, such as losing access to Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Finance, and other Yahoo services. If you are sure you want to proceed, simply select Yes, terminate this account and write down your email and verify your identity and delete your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Please note that deleting your account is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So make sure that you back up your data before deleting it. Now, firstly, open a web browser and visit the Yahoo official website and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Now, once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon or account icon available in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Now from there, tap on the Manage Your Account option available. Once you tap on the Manage Your Account, tap on the Privacy option available in the top. You can see there are various options available such as Security, Personal Info. From there, tap on the Privacy and you will be navigated to the another page of Privacy Dashboard. Now, once you are navigated to the another page, all you have to do is scroll down through the list of options available there and tap on the Delete Account option available. Now, once you tap on the Delete Account, you will have to read the deletion terms, where Yahoo will list the consequences of deleting your account, such as losing access to Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Finance, and other Yahoo services. If you are sure you want to proceed, simply select Yes, terminate this account and write down your email and verify your identity and delete your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.